Congratulations, Agudene. She gave birth to a baby.
Is she well?
Yes, she's alive and well.
You have done your bit. May the gods reward your loyalty.
Thank you, Nan.
Greetings to you, Agudene, the great warrior. What brings you to the house of Agudene? Messengers of the king.
Your question comes as a surprise. Agudene, you, more than any other person in Umoka, should know our long-standing tradition that says that any child born on Eke Day belongs to the king. So we have been sent by the king to come and bring the child delivered by your wife yesterday night.
Go and tell Igwe that I, Agudene, will not release my firstborn child, my very firstborn child, to satisfy this tradition.
Agudene, you are far wiser than this. Why do you choose to defy our tradition?
Because I've been married for 12 years. 12 good years now without a child. Now the gods blessed me with a child this year. And tradition wants to deny me of this blessing. No! Mbano! Come and kage me. Igwe eji okolo akolo. Rather than this happen, if the metal does not snap, it will bend.
Meaning?
Meaning that I, Agudene, will never, for any reason, release my very firstborn child to anybody.
Agudene, the Igwe said you should bring the child while I summon the warriors.
To hell with you and the warriors.
Agudene!
The warrior of Umoka. Go get the child. I will not allow that. Get the child. One more step. Just one more step and heads will roll. Go!
sent you out since morning and you came back with this. Who did this to you?
Igwe, I've been bleeding in the bush. A woman just helped me, Igwe. Agudene did this to me.
Abomination. Did you say Agudene?
Yes, Igwe.
Has he gone mad? Eh?
How dare he desecrate our tradition? Agudene.
Guards, take him away and treat him. You go and involve Bonkata.
Igwe, but Igwe, I hope we...
Do as I say.
They have sent you.
I have come to get the child, as tradition demands.
This is the only child I have in my 12 good years of marriage. Is it too much to ask that this child be left for me? I am a warrior, Obunka. I have served this land of Umuoka with the juiciest part of my youth.
And that is why I still dialogue with you. Go in and get me the child.
Over my dead body.
So be it.
Of our friend Otibo. That is it. It's like he's in trouble. Listen, we have to go and help him.
Obinna, this is the mysterious forest.
Yes. Nobody goes into the evil forest and comes out alive. So we should leave him there. Listen, let me tell you people. With or without you people, I'm going in there to help Otibo.
Obinna. Obinna, don't go.
Obinna, leave me.
Come on, Obinna.
Anuka, where's your sister?
Oh, Mama, welcome.
Mama, no, yeah? You're just seeing me, right? Eh? By the way, where is your sister, Oguma?
Mama, I've not seen her.
Yeah, you've not seen her? Yeah. So where must she have gone to?
Oh, Mama, there she is.
Mama,
Go on.
Mama,
Go welcome.
you have refused to hear with these ears. What kept you in the bush all day?
Hey, Mama, firewood is scarce, oh. Firewood is scarce in the bush.
Let me tell you, let this be the first and last time. I will send you to go and get firewood and you come here and give me fairy tales. Firewood is scarce in the bush. So what is available? Where have you been the whole day?
Mama, I swear, I was in the bush fetching firewood. It's scarce. I had to go inside to get it. I did not go anywhere else.
Stories. Akokote. Now go inside there and prepare what all of us are going to eat. You see, next year I'll just pull the thing out. And as for you, you just sit here making this basket, for the past 2 weeks.
Mama, it has not been long I started though.
Which one have you ever produced? Or Neki Meko? Masagi Kolobia Mad.
Wife of the tapping knife.
The great hunter.
Ajuanu.
Okay, Mado. I salute you. This must be a great kill you just made.
You can say that again.
Wow!
How are you and your people?
Well, things are not too bad. And you? You can see, we are there.
What's that?
You must have this melodious voice that I'm hearing. It sounds like the voice of a spirit, not far from here. Yes, and it's full of life. You can say that again. Anyway, Obina,
I got to leave now.
Okay.
Get to see Susie.
Okay.
Call easy up.
Call easy.
With a beautiful voice.
Who are you?
I am Obina the hunter.
So? What do you want?
You have the most melodious voice I have ever heard. Please, sing for me again.
I should sing for you. Please run away from this place. Do I know who you are? Instead of you to go and face your hunting job, you are here disturbing people that are doing their own job.
Listen, please, sing for me again. See, the words, see, they touch my soul. Sing for me.
Yeah, run away from this place. Leave this place before I shout so loud that people will come here and beat you up. Go away, you jobless man.
Are you deaf and dumb? She said we should leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Okay. But just one song.
You sent for me, Father.
Yes, my son. I sent for you alone.
I am very sorry, Igwe.
What is this nonsense I hear? That you go about terrorizing and intimidating the maidens of Umuoka?
Me? Father, that is not true.
So what happened between you and Ada, the daughter of Okorie?
Oh, that. Father, I only disciplined her.
Disciplined her? How?
Oh, yes. I sent for her, and she refused to come. So I had her taught a few lessons.
You had her taught a few lessons when you had not taught yourself any lessons, Prince. Because if you had, you would have rather be looking for a wife amongst them rather than beating them up.
Exactly what I was trying to do, Father. I wanted to convince her to marry me.
By beating her up? Now tell me, how could she love you? How could she have tender feelings for you when you are cruel to her?
Father, you will not blame me. I am a prince. That is the only medium I understand. I wanted to make her know that I am the man. I wonder how and when I ended up giving you this wrong perception of life. Because a real man is a servant who matures into a minister that ministers to the needs, welfare of his family, neighbors, and community. Forgive me, Father. Did you just say servant? How would that be possible when I am a prince?
When you become a real man, you will understand. Now go and stop terrorizing the girls of Umuoka. Because one of them might end up being your wife soon.
I will try my best, Father. But how do I become a real man?
Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo. Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo. Aye. Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo. Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo. Aye. Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo. Aye. Ngolo, ngolo, ngolo.
Obi.
Hola.
All night and all day, you have been singing this song. What is happening?
How does that concern you? Look, Ola, I am a man, and so I need some privacy.
Hey, my brother, the great Old. Hey, see, nothing should not have your privacy.
Okay.
It's just that the concentration with which you're attending to this meeting suggests that you're sending with someone important.
And so what's wrong with that?
Maybe it's again now.
You're beginning to look for my trouble. You're looking for my
trouble. No, my brother, the great hunter.
What?
No, now. How can I ever look for your trouble? After all, it's to my great joy if a girl finally finds her way to your heart. Now, tell me, do I know her?
Know who now?
Hey! This girl that so much caught your attention now. Tell me now, Obi. Tell me now.
Tell you what?
Am I no longer your sister? Eh?
You want me to tell you?
Tell me.
Ola, my sister, you are indeed a wise woman. You know what? As wise as our late mother. Her name is Ugomwa.
Hey! Ugo? Hey! The one that sings now?
Yes, yes.
I should have known. See, Obi, have you told her?
Oh, not yet. One step at a time, but Ola come. Miss Ugomwa.
Yes, now. Hey, she's very good. In fact, she's good enough for my brother.
She's good enough for me. The gods of this land bless you. For just saying that. And let me tell you something. I will prepare a special roasted meat for you.
Hey.
She's good, eh?
Very good. Very good for you now. Hey. You know what my brother is?
All this morning, I'm going to have a long swim.
Greetings, ladies.
Greetings to you too. How are you?
I'm fine. Ogoma, how are you?
As you can see, I am fine. What do you want now, eh?
Have I offended you by just asking after your well-being?
No.
So why are you always angry whenever you see me?
Look. I'm not supposed to be standing on the road here talking to a man I do not know.
But Ogoma, you are in the company of your friend and I'm not here to threaten your life.
Okay. What do you want?
Ogoma, see. I admire you a lot and I would want you to be my friend.
Thank you very much for admiring me. But I do not want to be your friend. Leave me alone. Biko! Nachonyi ya lapata nekai. There is nothing I will not see in this village. Eh?
Is that not Obina the hunter?
That is him. That's the name he called himself the day he came to meet me at the stream.
Yeah. We're going really in shame.
You
have eaten shit. So because the moon shines bright, even the cripple now wants to walk.
But wait, the way you're talking, do you know him?
Who doesn't know Obina? Who doesn't know Obina in this village?
Who is he?
Let me tell you. First and foremost, nobody knows how he came to this village of Umweze.
Huh?
Yes. People even say that he has a hand in his mother's death.
Hey! Chimo!
How? I don't know.
Huh?
Do you know that him and his sister Olamma live together as husband and wife?
Eh? Hey!
And not brothers and sisters. You know what I mean?
Hey! No. Hey! No. Don't even say that. Please, don't say again. What? Hey!
So that you know the kind of people that are coming to you.
There's something that I've been meaning to ask you about. That's been bothering me. Just imagine you are in the thick of the bush. You have brought out your gun and you are aiming at an antelope. All that remains is for you to just pull the trigger. Then right behind the antelope comes mother antelope and father antelope, holding their own gun pointing at you. What will you do?
You will drop your own gun and run away.
Awesome!
Can you imagine this?
Allah! Please bring
small meat.
Let me feed them. By the time I finish feeding you people, when people are going home, they call your name, you answer meat.
That must be a joke.
That must be a joke.
No, bring it. Let me surutu.
Surutu? Come surutu.
Hey.
Hola, how are you?
Number is mine.
Yes, and make sure you are ready anytime we call for more. Bring.
I don't forget whenever I call you, bring more roasted meat. You hear?
Pretty girl. Who be my friend? This your sister is really ready for the plucking.
You just took it away from my mouth. Oh, are we going to fight over her?
Umuna. Ikuikuisi na nyangwa ya di ujo. Trouble.
Obina, what do you mean? Are you going to marry your sister?
No.
Oh, I'm glad you know about that. But do you know who will marry her?
No, but I know those who will not marry her.
I'm sure you're not referring to us.
Did I mention your name?
Oh. That reminds me. Where is that trophy you won last season for being the best hunter in this community?
No, now what does trophy got to do with this eating and drinking that we're enjoying now?
We need to celebrate with you.
Where is the trophy?
It is inside.
Bring it. Let us drink to it now. Or is it for you alone?
How can it be for him alone? After all, this is the third time he's winning it in a row.
Back to back. The gods.
Didn't they say that success has many siblings? And failure.
Orphan!
Just go in there, bring it, let us celebrate with you.
After all, we are siblings to your sisters.
Oh. Is that what you're saying? Let me go and bring it now.
Now you go. Obina.
Let me.
The great hunter. Obina.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Hey.
The great hunter. Okay, Obina, wait.
Okay, what can I do with that good
This is wonderful. Yes. Let me give you so that you drink from it. Test it.
Which guy is drinking palm wine is opening his eyes wide as if he wants to swallow somebody. Now you know something.
Now we take and tell me how it tastes. Is it the same taste?
Not at all.
This one tastes champion. I must taste and drink to your success. I hope you're not. Let me taste. Congratulations, Obi.
Onye bụ dinta?
Ayorum.
Onye bụ dinta?
Ayorum.
Obina bụ dinta?
Ayorum.
Obina bụ dinta?
Ayorum.
Onye dịka dinta?
Ayorum.
Onye dịka dinta?
Ayorum.
Did you see how he was showing off with that elephant tox he won last season?
That is it. That is exactly what I was telling you. As if he was better than any of us. Obina. Oh, I hate you.
Not as much as I hate him. One day, I will shoot him and claim it was an animal that I shot. Watch it. I mean it. Watch it. Trees can talk. I mean it.
Wait. See, let us make our plans quietly and execute it later. How can he claim that he's better than every other person?
Ugoma, I greet you.
What are you doing here?
I'm so happy you even know my name. Beautiful lady with the most beautiful voice.
House, what's up, our lands? Please come and help me. Did you want to put me in trouble? Eh? Why? Don't you know that if my mother sees you here, she will not take it easy with you or not? Just go away.
Listen, Ugoma, I brought you a full antelope.
Please, I don't want your antelope. Go away with your antelope. I don't want it. Go away from here before you put me into trouble.
See, but I have come in peace.
And go in pieces if you do not understand our dialect. Hell, Chineke now. Go!
Didn't you hear her? Get out of this place with that rotten meat. Okay, in that case, I will go.
Come and take your meat.
What?
Come and take your meat. Hell.
Ugoma. Yeah? So, you now invite me home?
Hey, I don't know him. He dressed me to this place.
You have to tell that to Mama when she comes.
You don't be this wicked to me. You were here when I was pursuing him. Doesn't he tell you that I don't know who he is? It's Yoku. I don't know him.
You just have to convince Mama when she comes home.
Hey, convince me of what? Hey! Onyebu, who brought this meat?
I did.
You did? From where?
One of my friends gave it to me.
Yes, I was here when he brought it. Anomobutia.
Now, which of your friends?
Mama, you don't know all my friends. Moreover, I'm a man. And I've started doing things like a man.
Well, I'm not doubting you. Just being curious, as I'm happy, you know. Nemo, Mama, how come the meat has not entered the pot?
I was waiting for you so that you can see the meat first before it enters the pot.
You have good home training. Now, can you carry it and go and do the needful in the kitchen?
Hey! Wow, now your friend must be a good friend.
He's a very good friend of
mine. You refuse to come for the moonlight games. I don't know what is happening.
Don't blame me much, Obi. With a brother like Obina, why would one have time for such long?
Are you saying he will not allow you to come even if you want to?
No, it's just that I like to stay at home and attend to his needs.
Okay. So how do you intend to learn these dance steps you've been learning since for the maiden game? How do you learn?
I'm going to try.
Don't go there and dance all at one man for us.
Obi.
Obi.
You're welcome to our house.
Thank you very much.
All I hope there is food for me. I'm so hungry.
It is ready. By the time you go in there, drop your gun and your cutlass. I'll serve it.
Okay. Okay, let me go inside.
How was dancing today?
Fine.
Okay, welcome.
This man is handsome, hardworking, and homely. A prospective good husband by all imaginations. So this is what Ugoma is rebuffing. Truly, she is not wise.
Obi.
If your brother had told me beforehand, by now, Ugoma would have been married to your brother.
But it's not too late, is it?
It's It's not too late. But your brother has to play his cards well.
He's trying. At least he sent gift to her often.
Good. Very good. But you see, now that I'm working for your brother, he has to include me in the gifts.
I see. Ola.
I'll see you, eh? Okay. I know you have heard me.
I've heard everything you said. Thanks for coming.
Mama ine menu bo mema ijamaru watawai na ikorobia ndu tozuru nu ino na jio iba ina umu waya meze bo saka kwoje na mmenu wa na ndi siamo ka nokwe ndi siamo nu na he nokwe ndi si nebe di jije iba ina he nokwa na ibe wina wa hamba na jio ibia na meze umu wa iba ina meze bo saka kwoje agbago bi akuta kwanu orukwe nu ko seru aija maru ma agbago bi ande bo saka na kwoje hunu rufi ona na be futawa kwa ona na be ko mutewe kwen ibe mu na wa hamba na ji no orukwe no ana mane buwe yo jabuwe buwe ye umu wa ya yi musaka na kwoje ekene kwaru igwa meze no nu mekene kene kuru mi mu manu na shimu no ka dere gi na ma umu okorobia no kwan ibia na meze ban eweru umu okorobia nda shi zuru oke unu kata hunu kamufure bukodo ayi were saka na kwoje tunu mambogo ndayo ina takwa wa yidwa mose ni kanu nwa nga so kanu mai jameze bai ni ga hunu umaka duka chishike nekwe adawa itewe iya
Who is that girl?
Which one, my friend?
That one. There. The one seated on the mat.
What about her?
I like her. She's the kind of girl I would like to marry.
My prince, you mean the one lying on the mat with her husband?
How do you know that person is her husband? What will she be doing at the maiden dance with her husband? I feel she's single.
If they are not husband and wife, my question is now this: which news girl will be making such an open show of love and romance in a public with a man she's not married to, or at least betrothed to? Just look at them.
I just know I like her.
Just wasting our time. Don't go out to dance.
Yeah, I'm better than you. I'm better than you because when I shake this my waist.
Which waist? This stiff waist.
My prince, this is Orieji, daughter of Abu. I brought her to see you.
My prince.
It shall be well with you, beautiful one. Go back home.
But my prince, you asked that I should come and see you.
And I say I do not want to see you anymore. Are you deaf? Anedo, take her out of my sight.
Yes, my prince. My prince, why did you send her away?
Sit down.
Thank you, my prince.
Anedo, are you deaf? Or you think I wasn't serious when I told you that I have found the one?
I am my prince. If I may ask, do I know the person you are talking about?
Of course you know her, Anedo. She is Ugomwa, the song queen of Ambeze.
My prince, you are talking about someone's life. Eh? Have you forgotten that both of us clearly saw her sporting in public with her husband during the maiden dance?
Anedo, I am confused. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. She has eaten deep into my heart. I can't think. I can't do anything. I can't think of anything else, anyone else. But Ugoma.
Ojogo, I will not listen to a police this time. An agreement is an agreement.
Ozobi, I know, but I'm begging you. I am begging you. Please, just give me a little more time. Please.
More time?
Yes.
You have had 10 already. Ojogo, not on your life. Go in there and bring out your daughter for me to go.
Ozobi, please, I am pleading with you. Look, I will do my best.
Go there, search the whole house. Bring her out.
Ozobi Biko. Negodumanya, I am a widow. Ozobi Biko. I promise you I will pay you back.
More time? You have 10 years.
Try to understand what I'm going through. Ozobi Biko. Call your boy to come back, please. Ozobi Biko. My young Ozobi Biko. Biko.
Stop it! Stop it! How dare you? What's the meaning of this? Why are you trying to kidnap someone's daughter? And who are you to ask me questions? You. Do you know who I am? Who are you? Okolo, deal with him. You think you... I am not kidnapping anybody's daughter. I've come to collect my ransom. What do you mean by that? I suppose you know what this is. Ojugo here borrowed huge sum of money from me many years ago and has not paid up till now. When she was taking the money, we agreed that her daughter, who was 10 years old then, will be my ransom money if she fails to pay. I have come to collect my ransom. So, can I now go? But she begged you for more time. And I refused. Boys, let's go. Ask your boys if I know. Ask them! Let's go. That you, Hunter, I believe you know the meaning of what, in fact, the implications of what you've just done. Come, let's go.
This is my own contribution. Please manage it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
This is what I have for you. Ajahn.
Ajahn. Hey. I appreciate this. You are indeed a brother, not a friend. Ajahn, I appreciate this.
Biko, I have come to apologize for my bad behavior the other day. It was caused by a combination of so many things I may not be able to explain now.
Because you are unable to explain it. You think I am a child that I will not be able to understand. Get up. So what have you come for now?
No, because I have come to pay back what Ojugo borrowed from you with a little interest.
Let me see what you have.
50,000 marinas.
And you are interested?
Yes.
I like young men who have vision and focus. Because you are paying for Jugo. I will not take the interest from you. It will be for you. Count out the interest and take the rest. Count it.
This is the interest.
Yeah, you keep that one. It's for you. Since you are paying this, I will not take it. That one is for you. Since you are paying.
9.
This is the... You know, this is a symbol of indebtedness. It sets Ojugo free from my debt. And since you paid for it, you keep it.
Chai, 9. You are indeed a kind man. May the gods continue to prosper you.
He say, and to you, a noble hunter, may your way be rough.
Nice.
And may the gods of our land prosper you and protect you and guide you. You are God that you aim at any animal. They never return empty.
What is this?
You are free from Ozobi's debt.
Wait!
Husband of the tapping knife. Ajon.
Husband of the hunter. Okay, Mato.
Ajon.
Okay, Mato. Okay, Mato. Okay, Mato.
Have you liberated her? You can ask that again. I have, and I feel very happy. Obina, do you really love her? More than I can imagine.
Then strike the iron now that it is hot, and you will see the power of love.
Ajon!
Yes!
Ajon!
Okay, Mato.
Ajon! That is exactly what I want to sit down. See, you are in my house. Okay. Let me get some roasted meat to celebrate this.
That will be wonderful.
Sit down, sit down. Hola!
That will be very good.
Hola!
Am I not hanging the one?
Obi, where are you going to?
My great hunter.
Hmm?
I'm going to the farm.
Oh.
And you?
or I'm going to inspect my traps.
Oh.
By the way, how is your friend Ugonwa? Friend?
I should be asking you.
Me?
Yes. You see her more than I do these days, and you're so preoccupied with her that you don't even look my direction anymore.
Obi, how can you say that, man?
You
know that's not true.
It is true. It is true. Okay. Do you give me meat from your hunting, yet you always send me to Ugonwa's house? It's not fair. What? Is she more beautiful than me? Didn't I tell me? Is she more beautiful than me? Didn't I?
No, Obi, please. I don't like what you're doing to me now. I don't like this.
Zinta. Don't mind me. It is just normal girls' jealousy.
I understand.
How is Ola?
She's fine. She's fine. Obi, please. I love Ugonwa so much, and I want her to be mine. You mean it?
You have her. Just trust me.
You mean it?
Trust me.
Please. Please, It's good.
Dinta, I should be on my way now.
Oh, yes, but please, do your best.
I will.
And guess what? May the gods of this land be with you.
And also with you this time.
Okay.
Eva.
Ugonwa, you in my house? I was not expecting you. Please, come and sit down. I was not expecting. Please, come and sit down. Sit down. I was not expecting you.
Ugonwa, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ola. I am so sorry I was unable to come here earlier. But I want to thank you for the great thing you did for me. Thank you.
Ugonwa, it is nothing. It is nothing.
So why haven't you visited me, sister?
Let me go and prepare a bachancha for you people. Umina likes it a lot.
Thank you.
Please go.
Check Uncle Chen now. Allow me to finish. Are you chasing me away?
For now, I'm chasing you out of this place into the kitchen for the bachancha. I'm sorry. You know, I didn't come again because I know your mother does not like people coming to look for you.
You don't have to worry about that. I'm very sure she won't mind you coming to the house now. In fact, she's looking for an opportunity to tell you how grateful she is, to show you her gratitude.
Oh, okay. Ugonwa, listen. Her gratitude can never be compared to the love I have for you. It is your love that I'm looking for. It is your love that I seek. Right from the first day I heard your voice, then I set my eyes on you.
Okay. Thank you. You know, I feel honored by the way you've treated me. Even in the face of danger and discomfort, you thought of my happiness. You put me first. And you stood by me. What more can I ask for?
Ugoma, listen to me. Love is capable of doing everything. You know, I will always be in love, no matter what risk I may take on your behalf.
I actually came to tell you that I understand what you did for me. I know what it means to have my liberty back thanks to you. Thank you so much. I wish I can repay you. I appreciate it.
It's okay. I understand. I'll do it again and again and again.
My son, why do you want to kill yourself? You look so unkempt. You will no longer eat. You cannot even regret to amuse yourself. All because of a certain girl at Ameze who does not even know that you exist.
Father, she is the girl I want.
You want to marry another man's wife? Anedo says she is married. Anedo.
Igwe.
You said the woman was married.
You are very correct, Igwe.
Anedo. Igwe. Are you certain that that woman is married?
Yes, Igwe. This is because the state we saw her with her husband during the maiden dance gave no room for that consideration.
Are you also certain that that man is her husband?
Yes. Father, if she is not married, then she must be a loose girl.
Ah. So you are saying this yourself. I am very happy to hear this from you. So, you want to go for a married woman or a loose woman? Which of them would you want to marry?
None of them, Father.
Yet, you seem so powerless to lose the effect of affection you have for her. So you must go and see her. Yes.
Father.
So, you see, our people used to say that a snake seen by a man usually appears to be like a python. Now, if you see her again in the company of her husband, you will automatically lose the affection of love you have for her.
Ngolo, 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 aye, oh, ngolo, 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 aye, oh. Ojugo bunne mumo aye o obumu bugonwa ojugo bunne mumo aye o ngolo 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 aye aha m bụ dinta achọrọ m ka ịlụba m aye oh. Are you laughing? Ngolo 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 aye oh.
This is not what we came here to do. We only came to find out if she's really married or not. Wait. This is not the man you saw with that. So who was that one? And who is this one? Only someone from this village. But you know, one thing is clear. She is either not married or she is an adulteress. I say we look for someone from this place. Find
What will you do when you get back to your house?
I just go to bed.
Is that all?
Yes. I go in and I won't go out again.
So, you won't think of me?
Oh, my love, I'm so sorry. Of course, I'll think of you. Forgive me. See, it's getting cloudy. It's like it's about to rain. I think we're almost at your house. Let me start getting back to my house.
No. You have to follow me down to my house, or else I'll turn back and follow you back to your house.
Let's be matured about this. See, the clouds are already forming. It's about to rain. Let me just run back to my house. We're almost at your house.
Okay, but you have to stand here and watch me get to my house before you go back to your own house.
Okay, I'll stand here, watch you get to your house before I go to my own house. I am waiting.
So I should start going now?
Yes, I'm waiting.
I should start going now?
I'm waiting.
I'm going now.
I'm waiting.
I'm going.
I'm waiting.
Father.
Igwe. My son. Father. What is the excitement all about?
Father, she is single. And not even betrothed.
Oh, my son. No venture, no success.
Father.
Oh, son. Now.
Father. She is still the one I want with all my heart.
You have my blessings.
Who are you looking for?
Are we in the house of Ojugo?
Yes, this is Ojugo's compound.
Fine. We have come from the palace of Igwe of Umoka. The prince sent us to bring you these gifts.
I don't know any prince from Umoka kingdom. I'm sorry, you probably never.
Please. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Sit down.
What may I offer you?
Nothing yet, until we drop this load on our heads.
As my mother was saying, we do not know any prince or there from Umoka village.
Yes, that may be true. But I want you to know that acquaintances are made in a day. And an industrious woman like you, Mama, cannot escape notice. Yes. The prince has heard so much about you and wishes to introduce himself to you through these little gifts.
Mama. Mama, a lot of gifts, Mama.
Mama me. Hey.
Hey! Nemo!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
See, Mama?
Mama! Hey! Hey! Mama, you are so beautiful.
Am I?
Oh, Mama, you are. Mama! Hey! Hey! Nemo! Mama, you're so beautiful. Thank you.
Mfoto palanoma, mfinem palanoma, anya fomoto palanoma, nemsim palan, onyi believe. Oh, I'm not finished now. Wait, let me finish telling you what she told me. Nemsim palanoma, onyi believe. Anya Jesus. Paranoma ida wazawa paranoma wawa paranoma watutu paranoma nsine paranoma otagunenu paranoma nemsim paranoma onyi iberibe.
What does this Obi say?
Obi.
She's not even more beautiful than me. Why can't he notice me despite all the subtle moves I have been making to show him how I really feel for him? Alright. We shall see.
To what do I owe all these?
Mama, you do not owe anything to anyone. Just happy to send them to you.
The prince again?
Yes.
The ones you people sent before, we've not even finished them. And now you're here again with another set of gifts.
What do you want me to say? If it pleases the prince to make you happy, who am I to oppose it?
Not me. Let us.
All of us, Mama.
Hey!
Hey, Mama.
Nah, thank you so much. Messengers of the prince.
Thank you, Mama.
Please say thank you to him. Honestly, I don't even know how to begin to thank him.
Mama, thank you. I must make sure your message will get to him. Thank you, Mama.
Mama. Hey.
Mama, I greet you.
I've been there. Adam Madkedo.
Is Ugonwa at home?
As a matter of fact, I was just about to ask you. Yeah, where she is, you know, because as you can see, we have visitors.
You're welcome, our visitors.
Thank you, Mama.
Akuna Makakwao.
Thank you very much.
You come bearing a lot of gifts.
Mama, we are going to leave now.
Mama,
and
I'll be going as well. I'm going to the market.
Oh, really?
Yes, Mama.
Then you must buy us some ifafia. That is what I want.
Mama.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. All right, take care.
Mama.
We shall see again when the prince is. Stay well, Mama.
May the gods guide your footsteps, oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Farewell.
Thank you.
Daluno.
All right.
Mama.
Marriage.
Yes.
Are you saying that the prince wants to marry Ugonwa? Hey. Wonderful development.
Okay, good.
Very good.
Do you think it will work?
Why not? Ugonwa is single and unattached. The prince is rich. She needs that kind of marriage. You have seen her background. She needs it.
But if we don't have an insider, do you think it will work?
I don't understand.
I mean, the venture may not be smooth. So, we need your help.
My help? Okay, no problem. But for a gift, I'll help you.
Then I, Anedo, will be your gift. Opi, do you know you are too beautiful to be passed up by any man? No, I'm serious. Are all the girls in Ameze this beautiful?
Anedo, you have a sweet tongue.
I'm serious.
But unfortunately, I am not available. I am already betrothed. So you see?
Well, that's very unfortunate.
It's not unfortunate, because this will allow us to stay focused on the mission at hand. Since it seems that our mission is blending as one.
Okay. You are correct. You are correct. We will be on our way now. But I'll be putting my trust in you.
Trust me.
Don't disappoint me, please.
Trust me.
Thank you very much.
Farewell.
All right.
Farewell.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Son?
Father.
What have you been doing concerning the maiden at Ameze?
I'm working on it, Father.
Then when are we going to see her family?
We have not gotten to that yet.
All right. Have you discussed with her? Is she interested in being your wife?
Well, there's a way I'm following it.
That way has not yielded any result. That way is not pragmatic enough. I will take over from here.
Father.
No objection, son. You may not understand how important it is to this throne for you to settle down as soon as possible. Go and call Onowo for me.
What are your plans, Father?
My son, we have to make hay while the sun shines.
Ugonwa is my friend. You don't know her very well. You don't!
Obi, what do you mean by that?
I am telling you this thing for your own good. Ugonwa's so-called love for you is not genuine.
Obi, how can you say that it's for my own good and claim that Ugonwa's love is not genuine? Okay, Obi, if Ugonwa's love is not genuine, which other love on this earth is genuine? Okay, by the way, why are you telling me all of these things? Why?
I am telling you all these things so that you will not say, had I known. Yes.
Had I known.
Okay. Has Ugonwa told you about the expensive gifts that have been brought to her from Umoka village from the prince? Has she told you?
A gift?
Okay.
Gift what?
Expensive materials. Expensive coral beads.
Obi,
now if you see this gift.
Obi, wait. You know you're just making all of these things up. You're telling a lie. Are they not? You're just making all of these things up.
I am making them up. Obina, you are so blinded by fake love. You are so blinded. What do you even see in this Ugonwa of a girl that you do not see in me in abundance? What? Just look at me. Look at me. Obi.
Obi, have a good day. Obi,
what do you see in her that you do not see me in abundance?
Let's not go there. Have a good day here. Let's not. Tell me something else. Let's not go there.
I just hope. I pray to the gods that someday the scales will fall from your eyes.
Okay.
And you will see what I see before it's too late.
Obi.
And I know that you're going to ask her. And of course she's going to deny everything that I have just said. But I will advise you as a man. Watch, observe with your two eyes. Then you will prove whether I am right or wrong.
Obi. Obi.
As a matter of fact, she just left here 2 moments before you people came in. Nobody knows where she may have gone to.
Okay, no problem. If we don't see her today, we'll see her next time when we come. By that time, we must have pre-informed her. Okay.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. There's no problem.
Ojigo, there's no problem. On the contrary, we have come here with good news. The Igwe of Umuoka sent us with all these gifts to open a new door in your family. And moreover, to get a date when we will officially come to establish a lasting relationship with your family. I mean, as in connection with your Gonwa.
I can't handle this alone. I have to send for Elo, the only surviving relative of my late husband. He's too young to handle such intricate traditional matters. Let me go and look for Ugomma.
I sold some of the animals you gave me at the river market, and then I used the money to buy the dress and the coral beads.
Are you sure?
Have I ever lied to you? Have I?
And what about the gift from the Prince of Umuoka?
Ha! How did you know about them? Who told you?
You have not answered my question.
My mother wanted to force me to wear the dress, but I decided that instead of the dress to cause problem, I'd rather buy my own.
And you didn't tell me?
Obin, but I used part of the money I sold from the animals you gave me to buy the dress. I was only fighting for us.
They are too expensive.
They are? They're expensive. I didn't know. But since I bought the dress with the money you indirectly gave me, now I know you've been giving me expensive gifts. So tell me, should I not dress expensively for this expensive man who has been lavishing expensive gifts on this inexpensive girl that he loves? Obi, what is it? Tell me, what is it? Why are you doubting my loyalty? Why?
Get up.
No, I just need you to answer me. Why are you doubting me?
Get up. I'm sorry. See, I'm so ashamed of myself.
I salute you all. I salute you too. Ekenemuno. We have seen your gifts and we have heard your requests. Our people say that he who wants to swallow dollar seed must first of all consider the size of his hand. When the two ends of the rose are well protected,
those working in the middle feel safe.
That is true. That is true.
They say that no road to Onisha, that is near.
You are very correct.
Where was AC John doing so?
Now we know that there is an elder in the house. Okay?
Your journey is good, and we welcome it.
Ogo.
We will consult with ourselves and give you feedback.
You have spoken well. I must tell you, and we shall be on our way.
Mama greeting.
Mama greeting. No. Hey, this one you came to our house today. I hope all is well.
Yes, this is my daughter. Some elders just left here.
Oh. 3 elderly men. 3. Oh, 3.
Oh, you saw them. That was Onowu of Omoka and some elders of the cabinet. To the Igwe of Omoka. They brought good news.
Good news, Kwa? About what?
They came to ask for your hand in marriage to
Chimo.
the son of Igwe.
Hey. Hey.
You know, old men are always direct. Ojugo, remember to inform me when they come again.
Okay, Najukwa. So what do you?
On a second thought, please come and see me off.
The road is always lonely. I will see you off. Let's do it. I know, that's what you always say.
Exactly what you heard. So, at last, all those gifts, they have a motive after all.
Obi.
Listen, Obinna. I sympathize with you for what they are doing to take Ugonwa from you. But at the same time, I do not blame Ojugo for what she is doing to encourage them.
And why are you talking like this? Huh? Have you forgotten so soon? How Obinna saved her and this Ugonwa from bondage and possible enslavement?
Which is the more reason why I am not blaming her. Yeah? It is this bondage and the enslavement that is driving her now. Obinna saved them, yes. But will he ensure that they do not get to the brink of it? Question to be answered.
Anim, we all know that Obinna cannot match the Prince of Umoka financially. But we are talking about heart here, not a piece of meat that is on sale in the market.
All right. Now, let's talk about the heart. Obinna, what does the heart of Ugonwa tell you at the moment?
I do not know.
You see it? He does not know whether his heart is with Ugonwa or not. And if he does not know, who should know?
Mama, I denounce everything. I denounce it. I won't be a part of it, Mama. I won't. Shut up. I said shut up. Mechiano asking Mechiano. What do you know about life? I hold nothing. I'm submitting nothing against Obinna. But I must make my nest for the future of my family. I have seen naked poverty, insecurity and danger. Something you cannot even begin to imagine. Have you ever wondered how I got indebted to Ozobi? A debt that Obinna paid for us. Now there's an opportunity of security with royalty attached to it. You want me to give it up? No, daughter. Think again. Just think again. When I told you there was nothing like free, harmless gifts in this world, Mama, you thought I was stupid. Now today, am I not right? Am I not right? In the same vein, Mama, I am telling you that I will never give up Obinna. I will not leave him for that man who is so cowardly as to use gifts to attract people's loyalty. I will not do it.
He is so shallow, Mama, and he cannot command my love. He can't. He's too cheap. And who's putting that nonsense into your head? I have been growing up, Mama, but you haven't realized it yet. And when you associate with a hunter, you begin to learn the wisdom of the wild. My daughter, that is your business. We can pay Obinna back his debt with interest. But I am telling you, you will marry the prince, else I'm not your mother. Never. Never! Ah! Mama! How dare you answer me? How dare you? Have you forgotten so soon? I am your mother. Get inside and go and think of what is coming your way. Get in!
But Mama, Ugoma should be allowed to marry whoever she wants.
Shut up! You shut up! What do you know? Kima, you just sit around the house doing nothing. What do you know? Tell me, what do you know about poverty? I'm in raw poverty. I have tasted it. I have tasted it. It's like being alive and being dead. And you're telling me you're... Shut up! Do you understand me? I don't want it.
It's okay, Mama.
Shut up! Just leave me alone.
Go and fight for what you love. But do not bear bitterness against Ojugo. She does not deserve it. You can handle me.
Ugom, I want to know where your loyalty lies.
I really cannot believe you're asking me that kind of question. My love and loyalty lies with you. I would never leave you for another man. Never.
Are you sure?
Obi, why are you doubting me so much these days? Why?
Go on, because I'm going to fight to keep you. And I'm going to fight against formidable forces. Ugo, I don't want to fight in vain. Please.
Listen to me. Don't you ever doubt my love for you, okay? I can't even imagine myself with another man.
Thank you so much for showing me. I love you so
Hey, Mama! Obinna! Leave my daughter alone. Stay away! Everybody can't be gonna go for wine. Keep away from her. And let me tell you, I am ready to pay you back everything you spent on my daughter, plus interest. But just stay away from my daughter.
Mama, but you will love each other.
Love? What do you know about love? No mother, no father. Who taught you about love? You want to do long way, oh? Yeah, no, to long way.
This is not fair. Mama.
You had better stop sulking and crying, because it will not solve the problem.
Over my dead body will I marry him. Over my dead body?
You must marry him over your living body. Do you understand me? Look, I am not going to discuss this matter again. Please.
Mama, my life is in this village. My heart is in this village. So, I am not leaving this village, I am not leaving this village, Mama. I'm going to stay here. I'm not going anywhere.
Are you trying to tell me that you favor that poor hunter over the prince? The hunter that nobody even knows how he killed his mother. He cannot even take care of his sister. Talk of you. Is that the kind of marriage you want? Please, just forget about him.
Never. Mama,
Never. I will not.
Okay. Then get ready to kill me. Mama,
what are you trying to say, sir? Are you saying that you will not listen to me? Is that what you're saying, Mama? Mama, Mama. You don't want to listen to me? Okay. Okay. Subadro.
No, she was not talking to me.
How do you go? Let us fight the food for whose sake we are here. Then we will continue with the traditional rite.
Oh,
I'm beginning to suspect something. What do you think?
Nothing, there's nothing to suspect.
Are you very sure?
Nothing, just relax.
It's beginning to take Ojugo and the daughter a long time to be here. Are they going to spend ages there?
No, don't worry, they'll come to get her. Please. We'll soon come back.
They're coming.
They're coming.
What have you done to me for me? I'm gradually coming.
They're coming.
Ugoma, you cannot do this to your mother.
She deserves the embarrassment, since my happiness does not matter to her.
Ugoma, she will kill you for this.
Hey, Nne, we do not die twice. And let me tell you, I have lost my fear of death as far as this issue is concerned.
What about the visitors? All those visitors, don't they deserve a better treatment from you?
They are not my visitors, so I do not care how they feel.
Ugonwa, where did you learn to be so hardened?
Enajuaju, have you forgotten? I am Ojugo's daughter.
Ugonwa, let us reason this thing. Let us reason this matter together. Don't you think you need to marry the prince?
Why should I marry him? Why should I marry him?
One, he is royalty. And two, his royalty can open doors to your financial upliftment, fulfillment of your destiny as decreed by the gods.
Ezioku, when did you become the mouthpiece of the gods? And where does love come into everything you just mentioned here? Or doesn't it matter?
Love. Love comes and grows.
Let me ask you something. Will you like to be a queen? Will you like to be a queen?
Is there any girl that wouldn't want to be a queen?
Then go to my house and take my place.
Go to your house?
Yes, go to my house and take my place.
The prince did not come for me. He came for you.
The same me, I am telling you that I don't want him. So you can go to my house and take my place.
You're not busy also.
Where are you people hiding her?
Where is who? What are you talking about?
Ask that stupid poor hunter brother of yours. A boy that cannot even take care of himself. Poor wretched thing. Where are you hiding Ugonwa? Let me tell you, blood will flow if Ugonwa does not come home today. You not even know why.
Obinna, what is she talking about?
I don't even have an idea of what she's talking about.
You have no idea of what I'm talking about, okay? That is how you want to handle it, okay? Okay. Now I'll ask you for the last time. Where are you hiding Ugonwa?
I'm not even aware that she's missing.
Hi! Ha! You have no idea the game you're playing. But I will tell you something. I will go out there and look for Ugonwa. If I do not find her, hey! Not even the gods will protect you and your sister from what I will unleash on you people. Hi, Ugonwa. Ugonwa, where can you...
So...
Ugonwa memalo. Hey!
Obi. Is Ugonwa your house?
Why do you ask?
Her mother just left my house. And if she's not in my house, then she must be in your house.
Well, she came to my house, but she has gone.
Obi, to where?
To her house.
Obi, see, Obi, where is Ugonwa? Where is Ugonwa? Obi, talk to me.
Okay. I was able to talk to her.
Okay.
I convinced her to follow her desires and stop pretending to you that she loves you. Because all she really wants is the prince's comfort and riches. Yes, she saw reasons with me. And she has gone back to her house to meet with the prince and his entourage who have come to seek her hand in marriage.
Ugonwa.
I was actually going to her house.
What is this? What is happening to me?
I don't understand.
Mama, thanks to the gods. Mama, I was just coming to your house.
My house?
Ugonwa is in my house this moment.
Hey! Chukumba!
Mama, let's go.
May the gods save you from any kind of embarrassment a child may bring to you.
Thank you, Mama.
Take me to her.
Thank you.
Take us.
Hey!
Ugonwa, where is she? Where is she?
Mama, this is where I left her.
Hey!
No, Mama, wait. Maybe she's around.
How do I face this shame? Hey!
Ugonwa.
Mama!
That was what Obi told me. Yes.
Then, that Obi is a liar.
Yes.
Because the story around the village is that Ugonwa is missing. How could she have gone home to be able to marry the prince and still be missing?
That is the question. You're right.
So, Obi is still going on with these lies against Ugonwa. Okay. We shall see.
Obina.
So, what did you just say now?
Obina. I suggest we go in search of her. We need to go and look for her. Unless she has completely run away from the village or that she is dead.
The gods forbid it.
May the gods forbid.
Shall we go in search of her?
Yes. Let's go in search of her.
This is the second time she has refused to see us. There must be a reason.
Igwe, it is because of one young man from her village. Yes. Who? The hunter I told you about. Obi, my contact in Amaze, told me that she is cutting her.
Does she love him then? And you cannot take a woman whose heart belongs to another.
Igwe, I don't think if she loves him. I was also reliably informed that she and her mother are heavily indebted to this man. In fact, Igwe, if I can say, they owe him their existence. Please, Anedo, tell us more. It appears Ojugo, her mother, borrowed a huge sum of money for past 10 years, using Ugonwa as the ransom. Recently, the man who gave them this money insisted on having his money paid back or getting his ransom in place of the money. The hunter, who was around then, intervened, paid off the debt and set them free.
And what is this hunter's name?
Igwe, his name is Obinna. Igwe, can we negotiate with him and pay him back whatever he paid on our behalf, even with a handsome interest?
Yes. Anedo.
Yes, Igwe.
Find out from your contact if the man can be negotiated with.
Igwe, consider it done.
Ugonwa! Ugonwa! The four of you should search the bushes while I climb from palm tree to look down for her.
That's good. We have to disperse. Obudu and Obuche, both of you should go together while I go with Obina. Let's go.
Ugonwa! Ugonwa!
thinking. Think. What exactly are we doing in this thick forest?
What do you mean?
Exactly what you heard. You mean we are in this thick forest searching for Ugonwa, for that arrogant and proud Obinna? Ugonwa, that pretty girl that sings like the birds.
Yes, and when we find her, he will finally marry her.
Oh.
And his fame continues to rise as one who is married to the most melodious singer in the whole of Amaze and beyond. Eh? We will continue to be smaller than him.
No. Now you're beginning to understand what I mean by what we are doing in this thick forest. How I wish I could lay my hands on that pretty girl, Ugonwa.
Okay, now, what will you do?
You ask me? See, if I find her, I will take her to the Prince of Omoka, just to make sure that Obinna does not marry her. I just wish I could be of service to the Prince of Omoka in a matter like this.
That is true. You think wisely sometimes.
So we're here killing our time and all that. Let's sit down and let them go take it for us. We must plan against Obinna.
Ugonwa, what are you doing here? We've been searching for you everywhere.
I just came here so that death will take me away. I am so happy you're the one that came. I'm tired.
It's okay, it's enough.
I just want to die.
Listen, it's enough, okay? It's enough. I have come to take you home. Okay? Get up, let's go. It's enough, it's okay.
I just want to die.
No, you won't. Let's go. I've come to take you home. Let's go.
Listen to me, Prince of Omoka. It is no longer the matter of depth that we're talking about here. It is not.
Obi, is there another development?
Yes, there is. This Obinna, he has calculated that you would want to pay him off and take Ugonwa away from him. So he went to a great Dibia to prepare a love charm for him with which to hold Ugonwa. That is the matter at hand.
What?
My prince, do you know that Ugonwa does not listen to even me, her best friend? Prince of Omoka, if you really want Ugonwa, you have to make haste before it is too late.
Thank you for your information.
You're welcome, my prince.
Obi, here is 2,000 cameras for your uniform.
No, I am not doing this for the money, my prince. I just want my best friend to marry well and be comfortable. Who knows, through her I might get my own prince. Please, I don't want the money. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, my prince.
We shall be on our way.
Farewell.
It is now very important that something drastic must have to be done about this. They said if an animal runs dangerously, you shoot it dangerously.
You're starting to think like me and Edo.
Thank you, my prince.
Very nice. Two very important things must be done immediately. First, find a very good dibia to neutralize whatever that boy must have done on her. Second, take him out once and for all.
Did you say you don't know where she is?
No who?
You know who now? You can't play smart on Ojugo.
So how do I know where Ugomwa is?
I will only be a fool believing you. Knowing how close both of you are. Everyone will jump to the conclusion that you are hiding her. So talk.
Talk what now?
Hey,
talk what?
Please now. Please now, say something. Talk now, eh? Please.
Okay, okay. She's safe.
Obinna. Hey, you are a young man with future. I am also young and with future too. What will it benefit us if we both die like fowls? Eh? We don't have father, we don't have mother who will speak for us. Eh? Don't allow that evil woman to do us harm just because of Ugonwa. She's an ordinary girl, just like every other person.
Never you ever say anything negative about her again.
Did you hear me?
Father, good night.
Anedo.
My brother.
You came alone?
Yes. You do not expect the Prince of Umoka to come with me on such an errand. But still, here is the money. Inside this bag, you have 5,000 cowries. But please, we want a very neat job.
Consider it done. Light it up.
What is the news?
My prince, very bad one.
What?
Obinna killed the 2 hunters. What? I was also surprised myself.
We must summon Obunkata the assassin immediately. Get it done. But be discreet. My father must not know about it.
I have a message for you.
Who are you?
Obunkata. My prince! My prince! My prince, Edo, it is done. My prince, Obunkata has removed him from the way.
Ah, yes. I know he never fails. But did you...
My prince, I confirmed it. Confirmed the death. I'm serious.
Good. Very good. Anedo.
Yes, my prince.
This remains between us.
Yeah, trust me, my prince. Good. My prince, now the obstacle is off the way. I suggest you pay a visit to Amaeze.
Wouldn't that be too soon and suspicious? Think about it. Soon after Obinna's disappearance, Odera reappears at Amaeze.
My prince, I don't see any connection. After all, we may not know what is happening in Amaeze. We only came there to see our object of desire and let them know that we are still interested. That's all.
I think you have a point there.
Thank you, my prince.
Innocent and harmless visit, right?
Okay, my prince.
Fine. Prepare for it at once.
Thank you, my prince. Consider it done.
I never wanted you dead. Obi. I only wanted Ugoma out of the way so that I can have you all to myself. Gods of the land! How can you make me a loser like this? Obinna.
My prince!
Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. Thank you.
My prince!
Sorry, prince. Sorry. Sorry, prince. Hey, my prince, sorry. My prince, sorry.
My prince!
Obi, you know why I'm now? Obinna is dead. Hey! Chineke. Obinna is... Yeah, Obi. Didn't you hear what I said?
What am I supposed to do about it? Eh?
Why are you being so harsh?
Why shouldn't I be harsh? You have killed him. You can rest.
I have killed him.
You have killed him.
Obi, why are you saying this? How can you say a thing like Oginekuziha?
You have killed him. If you had quietly followed the prince of Umuoka, Obinna wouldn't have died. Obinna died because of you.
What do you mean it is because of me he died?
Obinna wouldn't have died if you had quietly just married the prince of Umuoka and left Obinna for me. Obinna wouldn't have died. He would have been alive.
Eh?